Hi everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. We are live today with Amarjeet and Spectrum Studies that's located in Ludhiana. And I would like to apologize again because again some technical errors today in the system, but never so late. So let's start the session for today. As you all know, I am Manager India Kavita Wilson for Eton College, right? And talking about Spectrum Studies. So Spectrum Studies is a pretty old organization. So this is an 11 years old firm in the field of foreign studies, and they specialize in admissions for Canada, UK, and Europe. Right. So you all are doing good and staying safe during this tough situation of COVID-19, right? And I would like you to advise that please be home, please be safe, and keep applying. You can still apply for your admissions online. And right now I am going to brief you about the college, about the programs, and about the upcoming intakes at Eton College. Right. So, to start with the location of Eton College, we are located in Vancouver downtown, so that's in British Columbia. When I say it's a downtown, that means it is the heart of the city, very strategically located. All the public transportations are pretty accessible. So we have, like, the nearest airport is Vancouver International Airport, which is just 16 kilometers away from our campus. We have say 97 plus hotels, motels and resorts around the campus, and also the Vancity metro station is just 1 minute away from our campus. Right, now to talk about the climatic conditions of Vancouver. So Vancouver is little warmer when you compare it with other provinces of Canada, but when I say warm, it's not 45, so it's just located near to the equator. So during summers we have a 27 degrees Celsius, and during winters we have the temperature of 2 to -5 degrees Celsius. So we have snowfall, but we have limited snowfall, right? And when I say 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, that's not really very warm. It's a pleasant climate for us. Aman, thank you for joining this session. I would be covering the IELTS requirements in sometime. When I talk about the admission requirements, I would request you to please first let me clear the accreditations and the programs. Definitely I'm going to talk about the admissions requirements as well. Right, so let's come to the accreditations of the college. So we are we come under PTIB, and we are certified by EQA, that's Education Quality Assurance. Now this is a certification given to a public or a private college that meets or exceeds the quality standards as set by British Columbia Ministry. Right, we also fall under category 1 by British Columbia Ministry, and we are a institution. So when I say DLI, that's designated learning institution number, and you can refer to our DLI number on cic.canada website. Okay, now let's talk about the programs, and we will also cover the gap acceptance, right? So let's come to the programs now. Eton College offers diploma programs, and upon successful completion of program at Eton, students can transfer to one of the partner universities. So to ensure that you have a smooth transfer from college to university, we have Eton College Pathway staff that guides you with the admission process. Right, so now when I talk about transfer, so we offer articulation programs, and that's with Capilano University, Royal Road University and Vancouver Community College. If you see, all these universities, they are within British Columbia. So when we talk about the distance between Eton and Capilano, that's just half an hour away from each other. Vancouver Community College is just 5 minutes away from Eton campus, and Royal Road University is little far because that's in Victoria Island, but then that's 2.5 hours away from the campus. So we have articulation programs within British Columbia. Now let's focus more on the programs that we offer. So we offer, say, 4 categories of programs. We have 2+2 degree options, 1+1 diploma option, 1+3 degree option, and co-op programs. So let's go to the first one, that's 2+2 degree option. So we have business administration with a majors in hospitality management. Now this is a combination of 2+2 program, right? 2 years the student will study at Eton, 2 years at university, and now the final degree that the student achieves is a bachelor's in hospitality management. Now here you get a transfer to RRU, Royal Road University, or Vancouver Community College. Okay, now second program is business administration with majors in travel and tourism management. This is again a 2+2 degree option, wherein you study for 2 years at Eton, you earn 60 credits, and these are transferable either to Capilano University or to Royal Road University towards a bachelor's in tourism management, right? So these two options that we just spoke are a 2+2 degree option. But we also know that there are a lot of students who also require 1+1 diploma option. So we have, like, say 1+1 diploma in travel and tourism management and travel, tourism and flight attendant preparation course. Right now here the student is going to study for, say, 1 year at Eton, and after which the student is earning 30 credits. This 30 credits are transferable to Capilano University towards a diploma in tourism management. Now talking about 1+3 degree options, like you have 1+1 wherein travel, tourism and flight attendant, you study for, say, 1 year at Eton, 1 year at Capilano. Similarly, if you feel that you should do a bachelor's degree, you can do 1 year at Eton, 3 years at Capilano, and go ahead with a bachelor's degree in tourism management. Right, now lastly we have, say, co-op program. So that's tourism and hospitality Canadian experience co-op. So this is a combination of tourism and hospitality, both the subjects, right? So this program gives you a classroom as well as a paperwork experience. So you get internship. When I say co-op is a paid internship. So it can be paid, it can be unpaid. I cannot promise you a paid internship, but then internship is there. So you get a chance to work for 1 year in your field of study, and it could be a paid internship, it could be an unpaid internship. Now talking about the discount in tuition fees, so for the co-op program we have a student discount. So this program cost you 25720 Canadian dollar, on which we offer a student discount of 7,000 Canadian dollar. So that brings down your fees to 18,720 CAD for 2 years. That's very, very reasonable. I would come to all the questions box, so there are a lot of viewers who are asking questions to admission requirements. So here you go. English assessments, it can be either an IELTS of 6 overall with no module less than 5.5, right, or a TOEFL of 61, or a PTE of 54 with no module less than 48. We also accept Duolingo test of English. We take a score of 105 to 110. I have a question. What is the how about COVID-19? Is it effective on study permits? Right. So see, during COVID-19 there are certain travel restrictions. Of course, you have certain travel restrictions, and the travel restrictions are mentioned on cic.canada website, or you can also refer to etoncollege.ca, and we also have an article stating the travel restrictions on our portal, right? But then you can still apply. So that's the reason, if you see the 4 categories of program that we are offering, we have 2 options there. Either you can study it on campus or you can study it online, right? So when we talk about online, you have to have a valid student visa to be eligible to apply for the online program. When I mean valid student visa, let's say you already have a study permit for Canada and you are not able to travel right now, so because of the travel restrictions, so then what will you do? So you can start your programs, online program at Eton, and once the travel restrictions are over, you can come and join us on campus. Second option is you can study on campus. So we have something called as on-campus programs, like how other colleges also have. And for on-campus programs, we are right now recruiting students for September 20 intake. For Online programs, I'll repeat, on campus program September 20 intake, online program the batch is starting on 22nd of June. So if you have a valid student visa, please come and join us for online programs. Let's go back to the admission requirements. So I believe a lot of viewers have asked me about the IELTS and PTE. I hope your doubts are clear. If you want, I will repeat it. IELTS of 6 overall with no module less than 5.5 or up module less than 48, and also Duolingo test is accepted, that's 105 to 110. Okay, now coming to the academic requirements, we look for a grade 12 student with 55% overall with no module less than 5.5. Yes, Amarjeet, Duolingo test is accepted. We take a score of 105 to 110. Right. So academic requirements 55, no modules less than 45. Right. There are certain students who also do a diploma instead of grade 12. So if you have done like a 2 years of diploma after your grade 10th, that is acceptable. If you have done a 1 year of diploma after your grade 10th, that is not acceptable. So it can be 10th plus 2 years of diploma or 10th plus 12th grade. Then you are eligible for admission at Eton. Right. Now there are certain students who have done diploma from Singapore in hospitality and would now like to transfer their credits to one of the Canadian colleges. So we at Eton, we accept students from Singapore or other countries who look for a transfer to one of our programs at Eton. We can also help you with certain credit exemptions, but then for that we may take a little longer. So generally our offer letter turnaround time is like 24 to 48 hours, but in case of credit transfer, it may take a little longer because we do a course by course evaluation. Okay, now I have another question from one of the viewers, in fact Amarjeet itself, that do we have application fees? We do not have application fees currently. See, we had an application fees of $100 Canadian, but due to COVID-19, we are giving a waiver in your application for online programs and for on-campus program as well. For a conditional letter of acceptance, we need a seat confirmation deposit of 2990 CAD, a minimum of 2990 CAD, or 30% of your first year tuition fees. So it is mandatory to have a seat confirmation deposit, and our seat confirmation deposit is pretty reasonable and very affordable. That's just 2990 Canadian dollar. The remaining fees you can pay after you get your LOA, right? And it depends upon you. Like if you want to pay, you can go ahead with a 1 year tuition fees, or if you want to pay your tuition fees semester wise, you can pay it semester wise. But for seat confirmation, we need a seat confirmation deposit of a minimum of 2990 CAD. Right, now let's talk about the boards that we accept at Eton. So along with all the other boards, we also accept students from NIOS, distance learning and open schooling. So you have the same entry requirement. So we look for 55% even from NIOS, distance learning and open schooling, right? So any student who is from these boards, you can also apply for admission at Eton. Coming to our annual tuition fees range, I have a question from Ramandeep here. See, Ramandeep, our annual tuition fees ranges from 13,800 Canadian dollar per year, and this is for our on-campus program. If you are coming for our online program, the tuition fees is just 2990 CAD per semester, so that comes to 5980 Canadian dollar for a year for our online programs, right? On campus it's 13,200 to 13,800. That's also very reasonable. Okay, now I have a question here. Hostel charges. So Amarjeet, we do not have on-campus accommodation, but if you are looking for an accommodation nearby to our college, we can guide you with the we can assist you with the accommodation Generally, your accommodation cost can vary from say 650 Canadian dollar to 1500 Canadian dollar, depending upon the type of accommodation that you choose. Now if you go for a shared accommodation, it can be just 650 Canadian dollar per month, but if you go for an individual apartment, it can go up to 1500 Canadian dollar. So it is totally depending upon the student, but we can guide you with the accommodation around the campus. I believe online programs, on campus programs, if you have any questions, please use the chat box and please message me there. Let me just go through the questions once. If I Okay, I have covered almost everything which is there already in the chat box. If you have any other questions, please message me, as we are going to we are approaching the end of the session. Right, now let's talk about, okay, I have a question. So Ramandeep, as I told you, we offer 4 categories of program. So we have 2+2 degree option, 1+1 diploma option, 1+3 degree option, and co-op program. So at our college we offer business administration with a majors in hospitality management. That's one program, that's 2+2. Business administration with a majors in travel and tourism management, it also falls under 2+2 degree option. Talking about diploma, we have travel and tourism management and travel, tourism and flight attendant preparation course. These two are the diploma programs. And last we have tourism and hospitality Canadian experience co-op. So when I say co-op, it can be a paid co-op, it can be an unpaid co-op. Coming to the next question, percentage requirement. We look for a grade 12 student with 55% in grade 12 with no modules less than 45. NIOS, distance learning, open schooling is accepted, and the requirements remains the same. Transfer of credits is available if there are students from other countries who would like to transfer to Eton now. Right, now let's come to why should somebody study at Eton. Right, so we at Eton, we focus on applied learning. So when I say applied learning, all the 4 categories of program that I have just repeated, these hours attached to it. So when I say practicums are internship, okay, they are again an internship, but it is an unpaid internship. But then what matters is all the program that we offer gives you a work experience, hands-on work experience as well. These these practicums are arranged by the college. The only condition is you have to just go and perform in your practicum. Right, now the practicum hours can vary from 150 hour to 300 hours, and that depends upon the program that you choose. If you say, let's say that you have chosen business administration with a majors in hospitality management, so this program, the practicum hours are 300, right? So that means it is a 4 months of your internship. In diploma management, it has 150 hours of practicum, that's 2 months of internship, right? Second is we have small classroom sizes, so we have not more than 30 students per batch. That means we believe in a good student to faculty interaction ratio. We offer you unique credit transfer opportunities, and that too within British Columbia. So as I said, we have articulation programs with Capilano University, Royal Road University and Vancouver Community College. We focus on students' career and professional development, and we have industry guest speakers, and we have a lot of industrial visits as a part of your program. We organize career preparation workshops that helps you when you look for a job for yourself. Right, now I have a question here. Is Duolingo accepted, and if yes, what's the minimum score? So yes, we are accepting Duolingo test, and we take a score of 105 to 110 in the same. Okay, now at last, let's focus on facts and figures of tourism industry. So, according to the statistics, British Columbia has approximately 21 million tourists. That was in 2018. Yeah, and there are more than 3 lakh employment opportunities just in the field of tourism and hospitality industry. If you refer to CanadianEncyclopedia.ca, air transportation is one of the largest service industry in Canada. In fact, Vancouver itself is the third largest tourist destination in Canada. Okay, I have a question again. So we have 1+1 programs available at Eton College, and the programs are travel and tourism management and travel, tourism and flight attendant. These are 1+1 program, 1 year at Eton. Second year you can transfer your 30 credits to Capilano University towards a diploma in tourism management. Right. Okay, so we at Eton, we offer unique, and I would like to request you all to please visit the Facebook page and the YouTube channel and stay tuned and see what's happening at campus. You can also refer to director's blog on etoncollege.ca website. Right. So at last, I would like to thank Spectrum Studies for giving me an opportunity to have this wonderful session, wonderful and interactive session with all the viewers and also with Spectrum Studies. Right. And thank you all for taking out your precious time and joining me for today's webinar. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home, stay good.